In this video, I will show you how to get Google Keep on desktop. First, open your main browser. For me, that is Google Chrome. Next, just search for Google Keep on Google and click the first link, which should be keep.google.com. That will take you to Google Keep in your browser, but it's not the actual desktop app yet. So, once you're on the Google Keep page, look for the settings icon at the top right. Click it. From the drop down, choose App Downloads. That will open a new tab with options to download the Google Keep app or add it as an app to your browser. If you're using a browser like Brave, you can click Add to Brave or the equivalent for your browser, and it will install Google Keep like an app on your desktop. And that's how to get Google Keep on desktop.